Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Burmese python is an invasive species which negatively impacts native wildlife in and around the Everglades ecosystem in South Florida. The FWC wants the public to help remove invasive species such as the Burmese python and has removed obstacles to killing pythons year-round.
Let's help you make your mark.
Burmese pythons are eating machines. An adult snake can grow to nearly 20 feet, and it can eat everything from raccoons to bobcats to deer to alligators, killing its prey by constriction and then swallowing them whole. On the jungle food chain, Burmese pythons rest near the top. 31 January 2012.
Take our lead.
Money. The South Florida Water Management District pays eligible hunters $8.10 an hour to look for pythons on its vast landholdings, which encompass much of the Everglades, although not Everglades National Park. Hunters get a $50 bonus for every python measuring at least 4 feet, with $25 for each foot beyond .29 December 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The FWC says you can kill these snakes with a gun, as long as it's on private property and you have permission, your fists, a snake hook, whatever, as long as it's considered humane, you'll get that shirt.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When pythons are safe to eat, they can actually be quite delicious, says Donna Khalil, one of the program's python hunters. When she catches smaller ones, about 7 feet long, she uses a mercury testing kit she bought online to confirm they're safe to eat. She then turns their white meat into food.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.